It's the fearsome head of that pirate-eating snake. I doubt he's in any mood to listen. Yeah, I'd love to punch him one, but I don't want to make him angry. Snake crossing. I can't reach it. I can't see it, but I'm sure it's a 9-iron. I can't reach it. I think it's a machete sharp enough to cut through even the largest reptiles. I can't see what that is, but I bet it's a box of Full of Bran cereal. The highest fiber content available without a prescription. Last I heard, they added even more live white mouse flavor. I bet that's a big old stick, the perfect snake beating size. I think those are the jaws of life, which would really help me get out of this snake. I can't see it, but I bet it's Snake Away brand snake repellent. I can't reach it. It's a priceless, delicate Fabergé egg. It's a complete array of vacuum cleaner attachments. It's a big, steaming cup of joe. I'm nervous enough just being inside this snake. 2 eggs over easy. They've already been partially digested. Thick, fatty sausage patties. No thanks. This is one pirate who's concerned about saturated fats. It's a stack of big, fluffy pancakes. They've already been partially digested. Maple. The pancakes have already been partially digested. Syrup won't help. It's the remains of a member of the Plunder Island Naturalist Society. Those guys sure are dedicated. I doubt he has much to say. It's got a tread that just grips the road and won't let go. It's a reservation slip for Blondebeard's chicken. It's a complete array of vacuum cleaner attachments. The Plunder Island Yellow Pages. No phone. It's volume C and it's mostly digested. I can only make out page 243. A compass is a magnetized bit of metal floating in a solution. What a completely random piece of trivia. I hate to think what would happen if these fell into the wrong hands. These should only be used for good. Nah. He's wearing a little shirt that says, "I whooped it up at Big Whoop." He's cuddly, but I really want out of this snake. I think I'm a little old for that. It's a priceless, delicate Fabergé egg. It's an ipecac flower. That's not even gonna faze this guy. That won't help me get out of this snake. That doesn't need holding down. It's the fearsome head of that pirate-eating snake. I doubt he's in any mood to listen. Massive man-eating snake. This fantastic reptile is one of Plunder Island's most dangerous and beautiful predators. That doesn't need gum. I can't paste that. Maybe later. He's not going for the flour just by itself. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. I don't know how to mix the flour with that. It makes syrup of ipecac. That seems logical. Whew, that sure was a close one. I thought for sure when I got eaten by that snake that I was done for. Thank goodness I'm safe. No? Hey! Hang on, the quicksand is sucking all the cool stuff I found in that snake from my pants. Now there's an odd sensation. I can only make out page 243. A compass is a magnetized bit of metal floating in a solution. It's a reservation slip for Blondebeard's chicken. Quicksand pit. Quicksand pits of this type are common throughout Plunder Island's nature trails. Many an unwary traveler has found himself trapped and unable to escape. Uh-oh, anyone, please help me, I'm sinking? No. Papa Pichu bush. Discovered by Plunder Island's indigenous peoples, this bush is named after a native word meaning youch. Ah, Papa Pichu. Well, I got the thorn. Hope that was worth it. Of all the places for a quicksand pit. If I thrash around, I'll only sink faster. I can't move anywhere in this quicksand. It's a bunch of conveniently placed hollow reeds. It's a sharp thorn. It's a hollow reed. Neat, a world-class pea shooter. It looks dangerous. I can't move anywhere in this quicksand. I've got nothing to say. No. Salvation vine, Arborealis deus ex machinas. This species of vine is noteworthy for both its strength and its ability to grow anywhere except where it's most needed. I can't reach it. I can't move anywhere in this quicksand. It's a branch resting precariously on that tree root. Even if I could hit the branch with that, it wouldn't do any good. Shooting the vine won't do any good. The magic wand has no effect on that. The magic wand has no effect on that. My aim is always off when I'm under stress. I might miss. If only I had some way of dropping the weight on the branch from directly above. My aim is always off when I'm under stress. I might miss. If only I had some way of dropping the weight on the branch from directly above. Even with the skeleton arm, I can't reach it. Even with the skeleton arm, I can't reach it. That doesn't need chewed gum. I can't paste that. I don't want to shoot that. That doesn't need holding down. Perfect. For once today, things are going... Well, darn. Hey. Thank goodness for those unpredictable Caribbean trade winds. It's the bay. I'll be cut to ribbons by those sharks if I go in there. It's wet. No. Curiously refreshing. Those must be the pirates who've taken Elaine. Hey, you guys! Come back here! No. It's a nice boat, except for that enormous gaping hole in the bottom. It's got a huge hole in the bottom. I'd sink. It makes the boat completely unseaworthy. I'd get a nasty splinter. Nah. I don't have enough gum to plug a hole that big. I can't paste that. I don't want to singe that with this ember.
Do you have a reservation?
Of course I have a reservation.
Then let's see your reservation slip. Very good. You may seat yourself, pardon me, Mrs. Bryanstew.
It's the maitre d' podium. It looks too heavy to carry around. Biscuits and more. I wonder what the more is. I don't need a whole barrel. I'll just take one. That looks delicious. Whoa! This biscuit is full of maggots!
Aye! Ha ha ha! That's my special ingredient. Adds just the right amount of exotic flavor. It's a good thing, too, because I can't keep 'em out of the food around here.
I don't want any maggot-filled biscuits. It's a good heaping handful of healthy, wriggling maggots. No. The devil chicken. Value meal. 2 drumsticks plus super slaw. Looks like a fine deal if you like slaw. It's a pie pan. It's a round biscuit cutter. Traditional grog, brewed the old-fashioned way, the unsanitary way. This is the greasiest, crustiest, most revolting chicken I've ever seen.
Ah, yes. He got our black and Cajun-style chicken.
I don't even like looking at it, much less touching it. I can't eat that. The fumes alone would kill me. He's awfully reserved for a pirate. Excuse me, sir? Now that's just rude. Excuse me, but...
What a lucky pirate are ye!
Me?
You've struck gold, boy!
I have?
Gold, gold, gold! Ha ha! Golden nuggets of chicken!
Oh.
A treasure trove of deep-fried fun! Now, what can kindly old Captain Blondebeard bring ye for lunch?
Cheese toast. Got any?
I'm afraid we're out of that fine and economical dish. Actually, I'm out of just about everything. Not a drumstick left. All I have left are those biscuits and a few tubs of our special ipecac slaw.
How's the ipecac slaw?
Not bad. But 15 minutes later, you'd be hungry again.
Business must be good if you're sold out of chicken.
Sold out? I never said nothing about being sold out.
Then what happened to all your chicken?
'Tis a story steeped in terror, marinated in mayhem. There be a horror that prowls the jungles of Plunder Island. A 7-foot-tall monster he be, and he has a hatred for mankind unequaled. His preternatural rage burns hotter than the coals used to roast 1,000,000 of his kin. He is El Pollo Diablo, the devil chicken. The devil chicken!
The devil chicken.
He hates me most of all. And his revenge against me must be tastier than me hearty giblets and cracklins party mix.
What's he done?
He turned loose all me chickens, returned them to the wild, to roam the jungles free as nature intended. Even now, I have a huge order to fill and no chicken to fill it. But I know he's not through. Ruining me business is just the first step. Someday he'll return. For me! But mark this. I'll be ready for him, and a 7-foot chicken means me business will be thriving once more.
How long have you been out of chickens?
Weeks, months maybe. And it's not the loss of business that hurts me the most.
No?
I miss the taste of me chicken. You could dine this world over, but you'll never be a connoisseur of carrion till you had a taste of me savory squab. Why, even now I gets me a craving for me palate-pleasing poultry. I can taste it now. Me crispy bounty of breaded beaks. There'd be nothing like the hearty crunch from these pan-fried jewels.
Isn't that a little hard on your teeth?
Aye, but the challenge of it all be half the dining enjoyment. Now that I got the thought of that crispy chicken extremity in me head, I'll be pining for the crunch till I get me something to crack me teeth on.
To whom are you going to deliver your chicken?
There lies a pirate ship in Danjer Cove, and the first mate of that ship fancies me chicken. But I better be delivering their chicken soon. Most likely I won't even have time to cook it.
Why is that?
You see, I got me this delivery in 30 days or it's free policy, and I be running a bit behind.
What are the pirates of Danjer Cove like?
They're a secretive lot, and I can't say I've seen too much of them. They seem to be what one would expect from a bunch of grog-swinging pirates. As filthy and hairy a bunch of swabs as you'd ever hope to meet. But beware of their captain. From what I hear, he's got the disposition of a shark in need of a root canal. If he be catching you near his boat, you'll be tortured for sure.
Would you like to join my crew and sail to Blood Island?
What? Leave me shop unguarded? Why, you treacherous tripe! You're lucky I don't take out me whisk and run you straight through.
Whoa, calm down. I was just asking.
Sorry, I'm as edgy as a beached whale in Nantucket. Just look at what fear of that demonic fowl has done to me nerves.
Do you have any specials?
We're out of potatoes, but we still have some eyes left.
No, thanks. Do you have any other specials?
There'll be a heaping glob of lard I keep in the back for special occasions.
No, thanks. Do you have any other specials?
Have you tried peat moss and tree bark? Many parts be edible, you know.
No, thanks. Do you have any other specials?
One word for you. Hummus.
No, thanks. Nice gold tooth you have there.
Aye! It glistens like the golden topping of grease on me luscious batter-fried chicken.
Did I mention how much I admire your gold tooth?
Aye, you did. It's one heck of a gold tooth, and Blondebeard serves up one heck of a lunchtime value.
Don't you ever like to get outside the shop?
Aye, I love the outdoors, especially the beach. Why, I'm in fact a member of the Brimstone Beach Club in Smorgy. Been a member there for years.
How did you become a member?
I threatened to run them all through. Then I lost me membership card. Last time I remember having it, it was in me breast pocket. I believe I was in the kitchen preparing some grub. Then I had that awful sneezing fit. Oh, that was bad. No matter, I guess I'll just have him issue me a new one.
What do you miss most about your chicken?
The crunch. It's the crunch I be missing most.
Do you have any other specials?
No more.
To whom are you going to deliver your chicken?
To the pirates at Danjer Cove.
What happened to your membership card again?
It seems I lost it while I was cooking.
I'll let you get back to work.
Aye.
Hey, mister. Mister, you listening? Ah! It's one of LeChuck's skeletal horde.
Aye, I fixed his little red dinghy, but good.
The undead that walk among us must surely be destroyed, lest their evil like overrun and befoul the world of the living.
Aye, and he complained about me chicken.
Oh. It says, ask me about Grim Fandango. I don't want people always asking me about Grim Fandango. What can you tell me about Grim Fandango? Anything? I don't like to speak ill of the dead, but this guy's lousy at marketing. This is the greasiest, crustiest, most revolting chicken I've ever seen. No, This chicken is too hard to be damaged by mere metal. No, this chicken is too hard. I wish that was a real ship that I could use to sail to Blood Island. I wish that was a real ship that I could use to sail to Blood Island. I can't reach that high. I can't reach that high. He's dead. I don't want to touch him.